setups for the day. So just where I'm sharing what my setups were. For those of you following the Telegram channel, I hope you got the trade yesterday. When we started with that, which was Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Didn't really have it in the video yesterday, but when I was going through my charts again afterwards, I picked up the opportunity. And he's going to start off with that one just to highlight the way that I trade. Okay, so you can see we started off in the 8 hour. There was a break of this area here. You can see with this 8 hour bar. So any pullback back onto that and any kind of structure that forms off that level is an opportunity to be long. So we drill down to the hour. You'll see this was the entry here. You can see we broke through, slowly meandered to the downside, and basically had this inside bar here, and then gradually making higher lows. Okay, so the entry here, I think I called it somewhere around there. Okay, we had a fairly wide stop. So we had a 400-point stop, so we were looking for a stop in this area here. Okay, and we were looking for basically a one-to-one trade, which equated to over there. Okay, so that's pretty much how the trade played out, and it's just let's get this up here, and you can see there it was there where we called it, had the levels in, and we played out where we moved the stop to entry, and then where we closed the trade. Okay, so if you haven't joined that yet, definitely join me there. I will put all the trades that I see on the Telegram channel. Anyway, let's start with Euro USD. So we are still continuing to the upside. Still hasn't really been an opportunity to get in on this. For me anyway, waiting for some kind of pullback, and it looks like I'm going to be waiting quite some time before we get that pullback. So it's still worth watching though. You can see we've had this breakout of this previous level here. And but we could argue there was an opportunity yesterday. It wasn't clear enough for me. So if it's not clear, it's got to be crystal clear before I'll take it. So we need to wait. Okay. I do expect something to happen here, maybe a bit of a deeper pullback, and we'll have to wait to see what transpires. But this area here is still an area that I'd like to buy it, which is 111,530. Okay, Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. So Japanese yen got a bit of a hiding yesterday. And you can see this is one-way traffic at the moment. Again, no opportunity to buy in at the moment. So this is a really strong trend. So what you want to be doing is looking for the latest pullback. You can see we've had some kind of a pullback here. So this area does offer some interest. And the nice thing about this is if I do that, you have a 300-point stop loss here for a 800-point, no, sorry, basically 600 points, 700 points. So 2-to-1 trade on offer here. So let me just do that. You can see there's a structure. I want to see a bit of a better pullback here during the UK Open, and that should come down to 74.98. See some structure there. You can just basically go to the 15-minute for that. So you see it pull down on into this area, and then what we're looking for is some kind of price action off a level, inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars, whatever it might be. We're looking for some kind of positive price, bullish price action here, and that would be an opportunity. So one thing's for sure, the measured move, see there was our first move down, pullback. If this measured move plays out, so in other words, the short below this pin bar down to the bottom of this area here. Not that I would trade it because the trend is up, okay? But you probably find there are some scalpers that are busy looking for this opportunity right now. Anyway, so I'm looking for price to come back to 74.98 or 74,777, somewhere in that area. As soon as I see some bullish price action in that area, I will be taking a long. And if it happens down the bottom here, then my stop area is going to be around here. Okay, just below this area here, which is 74,540. Okay, So that's Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Been a pretty nice break here. You can see there's my break. And this is a great setup, guys. So there's one of the levels we broke through, and here's the next level. So what we're looking for is a pullback back into this area for an opportunity to buy. Okay, so I'm not really interested in it just yet. Pretty sure we'll have another leg down. So this area here of 112,540, worst case scenario would be 112,373, and you can even fine tune it into something like that, which would be 112,247. Those are your areas that you want to see the pullback back into. Again, any positive price action, pin bars, inside bars, engulfing bars, double bottoms, anything that you see that looks like a bullish pattern is worth the trade. And your stop is below the swing low here in the area of 111774. Okay, next pair, British pound, US dollar. So this is playing out as we speak. Here's my structure. There's my pullback. The only thing I don't like about this right now is that it is happening during the Asian session. Okay, that is the only problem I have with this right now, is it's happening during the Asian session. Otherwise, this would be a valid setup. If I just pull down to the 15-minute here, you'll see what I mean. There's an engulfing, there's a pin bar. Entry was on the break here, stop below here. Okay, so because it's an Asian session, Asia tends to go sideways with Forex. There's not enough volumes moving the markets. So I prefer to trade the London, pretty much only the London session. New York session as well is also quiet. But that period late in the afternoon where London and New York are open is also a pretty great, it's a great time to trade anyway. Okay, so that on pound USD, I'm waiting for this pullback to happen again. I wouldn't be too surprised to see it happen in the London session as well. But drive it down onto here, get the opportunity to get in, and then get long on this. This market is trending. It's a pretty strong trend at the moment. So just want to keep riding the trend, I think, is what we're after. Okay, Aussie dollar CAD we have spoken about already. Just to highlight something here, there is obviously a bit of structure here. So pullback back to 93275 would offer some support, and that would definitely be an area to look at. And I just want to get to 8 hour here. Yeah, you can see that is wrong level, sorry. There's not much really here. And we've got this level to the upside. And I think we've tagged that already. Yeah, we tagged it already. Okay. So yeah, you want to see a deeper pullback. And if I just take it on the 8 hour, I want to see it back down to this area here, which is 092626, and that would give us another opportunity to get long. Okay, again, another one with the trend is up. Okay, so those are the 5 that I'm watching at the moment. Hope it helps, and yeah, we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.